Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can get airdrops on the ZkFair network. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So ZkFair, to be honest, is doing pretty good. If you see the current market cap, it's like 137 million with an overall supply of 10 billion ZKF. And there would be a lot of airdrops on this network. So I would suggest is don't miss out on ZkFair staking because this will reward you with huge airdrops. Although this is not a financial advice, do your own research before investing into any crypto. Now, the overall momentum for ZkFair is quite bullish, and hopefully during this bull run, we can see this 50x to 100x at its peak, hopefully. Now, I will tell you exactly how to receive airdrops on ZkFair. So, the thing with airdrop for ZkFair itself, the phase is now complete. All the airdrops have been done for ZkFair, but there are new launches and tokens on the ZkFair network itself. So all you have to do is you will need to go to Fair Launch Pool over here, and as you can see currently there is one airdrop that is live over here, which is Launch Pool. So all ZKF token holders, stakers, and domain owners stand a chance to receive airdrops. Now, token holders and stakers is fine. This ZKF domain is like basically if you stake more than 100,000 ZKF tokens for a period of 4 years, then you are eligible to get a domain for 1 USDC. That is optional. If you want, you can have it. If not, then that's perfectly fine. Now, if you see, there is this Fair Launch Pool. So, Fair Stake is a first decentralized protocol built on ZkFair. So, where the stakers and the holders would be rewarded. Now, as you can see, it's not showing my stake point and my airdrop. So, first thing that you will need to do over here is you will need to go ahead and connect your wallet. So, there are multiple options. You can use either MetaMask, Bitget, OKX, token, or Fox wallet. I would suggest is like use either of this, either use MetaMask or Bitget. Both are pretty good. MetaMask is the best to be honest, but in my case, I'm using Bitget because there is some, a loading problem between my MetaMask and Trust wallet. Whenever I try to like add something to MetaMask or try to open MetaMask, Trust wallet pops up for some reason. I will need to check how to go about it, but MetaMask is the best to be honest. So if we for the video purpose, I will go ahead and connect my Bitget wallet over here, and I will simply go and put in my password and click on agree. Now there are certain rules. As you can see, during the participant period, stake points will be randomly snapshot once a day. So since I've started staking today, my snapshot is not done. That's why it's not showing my stake point and my airdrop. And during the participant held, ZKF will be randomly snapshot. So this is held, and on the last day of the participant period, held domains would be snapshot once. So this is for the domain one. Now this period is like this is ending on 4th of February 2024. So you will need to be quick in this case if you want to go ahead and stake your ZKF tokens over here. Now if we go over here and as you can see, this was 100% fair launch for ZkFair token. So which is a pretty good sign to be honest for any token or coin, and it's basically a L2 based on the Polygon CDK and Celestia. So this token I personally feel like has a potential, and they are building a lot of ecosystem, and if you want a custom domain, you can go ahead and get a custom domain over here by staking more than 100,000 ZKF token for a period of 4 years. Now if we go in the stake, as you can see, my Bitget wallet is already connected over here. Every time it will ask to like sign a signature, simply go ahead and click on sign. And as you can see, I have staked like 50,000 ZKF token, and there is some few balance that is left in my wallet, and this is the total stake point. So the stake point depends on the number of ZKF tokens that you have staked multiplied by for how many times. So longer the time, the more stake points you will be getting. So these stake points will determine how much airdrop you will get. So you need to keep an eye on this fair launch pool every time, because I think in the past there was one, I think side token airdrop was done on this ZkFair. Now, to be honest, if you want to buy ZkFair, there are multiple options of buying ZkFair tokens. You can use the Get.io. This is the best one because it has a inbuilt ZkFair chain where you can easily transfer like ZkFair from Get.io to your MetaMask or maybe Bitget wallet. Now, in case if you don't have an account on Get.io, you can use the sign up link in the description where you can get up to $6,666 as a sign up bonus. So once you got an account on Get.io, all you have to do is you will need to click on withdraw over here, and over here in the search, over here simply click on this. For some reason my internet is slow. Anyways, I'm planning to change my house now, so hopefully I will get a faster internet over there. So so hold on, ZKF, and click over here, and simply put in the MetaMask ZkFair address. Now for this, by default, ZkFair won't be reflecting on the MetaMask. So in this case, what you will need to do is basically, I'm sorry, don't use Get.io, use Bitget, because this one is on the Ethereum or ERC20 chain, which is not a good thing because then again you will be having huge gas fees. If you have a Bitget account, use that because you can directly transfer ZKF from Bitget on the ZKF change at a lower gas fee. Now all you have to do is once you have a MetaMask installed on your Chrome browser or maybe on your mobile, all you have to do is you will need to go to chainlist.org and search for ZkFair network and simply add it to MetaMask. And then you can transfer your ZkFair tokens to maybe MetaMask or Bitget wallet over here. So this is how you can keep claiming airdrops on the ZkFair network. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.